Hey guys, it's Julio here. Welcome back to Koolio's Taste. Today we're going to be tasting some Twizzlers, some different flavors. I have Crush, Dr. Pepper, and Hawaiian Punch. These are all soda flavors. I got these at Dollar Tree. I have a while with them, but I just haven't come around to making a video. So they may be expired. Hopefully we survive. Well guys, let's get to it. Let's start off with the Crush. But before we get tasting, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going on tour. So stay tuned to my world famous tour. The dates and the states I'll be going to are going to be down in the description, as well as a link where you can go buy your tickets. So go ahead and buy those, and you can see me on tour soon. I'm just joking. There's no tour. So we'll just continue tasting. Let's start off with this Crush Orange. This is like, you guys don't know what Crush is. It's like orange Fanta. Kind of smells like plastic with orange cookies. They expire March 27th of this year, so I have like 2 months left. They're not that great. Again, they're from the Dollar Tree. It tastes like plastic with orange flavoring, pretty much. That's 1 out of 5. Well, this is Dr. Pepper. Smells like Dr. Pepper. It has a subtle hint of like Dr. Pepper. It has like a subtle hint of Dr. Pepper flavoring. It tastes like plastic though. I mean, they look like plastic. They're Twizzlers. These expired 3 months ago, or 4, on October of 2017. No. Nope. Let's see the last ones, which are Fruit Punch. These smell like the cherry Pop-Tarts. That's what they smell like. These have a way, like, these have a stronger flavor than the other two, except these expired in September of last year. But they don't taste bad. They don't really taste that bad. These are way better than the other ones. Dr. Pepper would be a 1 out of 5 as well. These, don't recommend, but I'll probably give them a 2 out of 5 since they're better than the other two. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Remember to go check out the description down below so you can know when I'm on tour come check me out. The dates will be available. Tickets are going to be going on sale pretty soon, so stay tuned for those. And thanks for watching my video today. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys like it. Hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you know every time I post a video. And thanks for watching Koolio's Taste. Until the next taste test, goodbye.